Hello, class. I think this will be the last video on the set of AutoCAD drawings, believe it or not. And we're going to really leave you to start using the knowledge on your own for this last half of the assignment because we want you to design and draw in the kitchen and the bathrooms. Now you'll notice there's no kitchen or bath elements shown in the PDFs. I'm not even going to do them in CAD because I want you to think about them. I want you to think about what was gone over in lecture about kitchens and baths, what you might even apply from your own knowledge of kitchens and baths, and draw them to the design that you want using the standard dimensions that those elements might have. Now we do help you out with a few things. So if you remember, if you have this block file here that you have, so you have a toilet, you have a kitchen sink, bathroom sink, you have a kitchen sink, you have a stove top, you have a refrigerator, so you can go and copy and paste those into your drawing and use those. But the layouts, the counters, and an island perhaps, or is it a U kitchen? You know, think about your work triangle, all that stuff. Draw it in what you think would be a good kitchen. So, but just to point you out a little bit, of course, we already labeled kitchen, so your kitchen should exist somewhere in here. And you have a small bathroom down in here, which should have a shower, toilet, and sink. And then you're going to have the same thing on the second floor plan. You're going to have a bigger bathroom here, so you might have a bigger shower or something like that to happen in this bathroom here. Now the plans are not the only spot that you will see the kitchen and even bathroom. You might see those things in the section as well. So if you come over to the sections, we purposely set up the sections this way actually. And so if you notice here, you might have to copy your kitchen over this as a guideline, or you can just measure across. You have a kitchen right here that you have counters and other such things that you're cutting through, and so you will see them in elevation. And so you'll have to draw an interior elevation of this kitchen right in this location. And the same is true with this section, is that if you have your section cut here looking up, and this is the kitchen, you will see the kitchen cabinets in this way. So in here you have to think about the depths of the counters, you have to think about the height of the counters. What about upper cabinets? Where are those depths and heights? Because you will all see that. What about divisions? It's just not long, big cabinet. What are the rules? 3-inch increments to set your cabinet widths going across. How do the doors look? Are they drawers versus doors versus cabinets? All of those things we want you to figure out and think about. So we're purposely not giving you any information, because then you would just copy, and we want you to work through this stuff and give you a little bit of a design challenge, right? So you should be mastering AutoCAD by this point in time. So you can start to make these decisions yourself. Of course, it's still okay to ask for help if you need information from us to help you along, but we really want to see what you can do on this last little bit of the assignment. Of course, once you have this all drawn, then it's time to print it out. There's no new title blocks. I don't need you to set up a new tab or anything. They should just be all updating. So if you go to your first floor, you can see now it has the dimensions. Oh, and you notice if it's sticking out a little bit like mine is there, just come in and pan up and make sure it all fits inside. We talked a little bit about that, but that came because of the section, so make sure it's all in there cleanly. Do the same with the second floor. Again, I'm not showing you the dimensions in notes. They should be here, but you have to figure that out yourself. And then same with sections. Your section should now have a kitchen. Go ahead and print that out. And this section will also have a part of the kitchen. Go ahead and print all of those out. So we should see not new drawings. You need to change the due dates on all of them, but just a reprint of drawings that you've already started. And that will be the end of this assignment. It'll be end of our AutoCAD segment, and we will be moving on to new software. At least at this point in time of filming, it will be SketchUp, which is a great software program. So I'll see you in that video. Good luck. I hope you enjoyed this. And again, one last comment. It's going to take years of practice to get good at AutoCAD. It is just practice, 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 and you guys have done so well. Everyone has done so well up to this point. So congratulate yourselves.